Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The best gratitude goes to Allah as our God, to Rasulullah as our Prophet, to all of respected teachers at PEC, especially Mr. Khalil Hossein as the director, to Mr. Rojak as supervisor today, and to all of my friends. And also I thank you very much to Master of Ceremony who has given me opportunity in this resistance. Brothers and sisters, making decision is not easy. Making decision is not facile. Why? Because we have to consider first. If we don't consider first, probably our decision will be wrong. We will regret later. So then we have to consider first. I have story. At the time at 2019, yeah, exactly after passing from senior high school, my mom asked me, Fahmi, after this, what will you do? And I said to my mom that, my mom, I will look for job. I will get a job. My mom said again, Fahmi, you have just little knowledge. You have just little experience. You have to next your study and find the new experience. Because why? Because your experience will be your teacher. So if you have many experiences, you will have many teachers. After that, I thought this my mom opinion true. During 1 week, I thought, what will I do? What will I do? At the time, my mom asked me that I had to join in university, but I didn't want it. At the time, I made decision that I wanted to next study in Islamic boarding school and want to be dedication person there. At the time, my mom was shocked. My mom was shocked. Really, do you want a dedication in Islamic boarding school for me? As far as I know that being dedication person in Islamic boarding school, that's not easy. You will have a limited time. I said to my mom, yes, okay, mom. This is my decision. This is my decision. I will do it. I said like that. After that, my friend underestimated me. Yeah, because of because I have limited body. I have slim body. My friend underestimated me. At the time, yeah. But I didn't care about my friend said. I didn't care. At the time, yeah, Alhamdulillah, I accepted in Islamic boarding school, being dedication person there. At the time, I was shocked. Why? Because I got tasks, I got assignment that I had to handle about consumption, and also I had to cook rice and side dish. That side dish for 100 people. For 100 people. At the time, I didn't have experience about it. I was shocked. I told to my mom, how about this, my mom? After that, my mom said, never mind. You can do it. You can do it. After that, yeah, day by day, I learned how to slice shallot, how to slice onion. At the time, I didn't slice shallot, but I sliced my fingers. Yeah, because I don't know how to slice. Yeah, because I had to slice many shallots. At the time, I didn't grate coconut, but I grate my fingers also. Okay. Hello, brothers and sisters.
Hi.
And also every day I got comments. Every day I got comment. Brother, this side is too salty. This side is too spicy. This side is there is no taste. Because I don't know how to cook well. I don't know every time. Yeah. After that, every day I got comment. Yeah. Probably at the time I felt insecure. I wanted run away and I wanted resign at the time. But my mom gave me some advice that every call, Roma wasn't within a day. I'm sure that you can do it, my mom said. After my mom gave me advice, I next my struggle to be safe at the time. Alhamdulillah, day by day, month by month, I I could cook well. Yeah. After that, remember guys, after Alhamdulillah, during Alhamdulillah, I could pass 365 days. I could pass 365 days. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. My mom was very grateful because not all of people can do it because at the time there were people, some people they same like me. Their education is like boarding school, but they could not sit just one month, just in the middle of month they resign because we have to need our struggle. At the time also, brothers and sisters, if we have made a decision, we have to be responsibility to our decision until we are being successful person. Until we are being successful person. Why? At the time I forced myself that I could do it. When I got a problem, that I have to make it work. Every I got problem, I said, I could do it. For me, I can do it. For me, I could do it. For me, you could do it. For me, you could do it. Because words are like seeds. Do you know seeds? Words are like seeds. If you continue to say it, eventually that can become a reality. Words are like seeds. If you continue, I could do it, and as the matter of fact, we could do it. It's like this. If you got a problem, you say to at the time after I could pass it, my mom was very joyful. And then I said thank you to all of my body. At the time, Alhamdulillah, I didn't get sick. Before my period, almost all of people getting sick. Was getting sick. Almost all of people were getting sick. But Alhamdulillah, at the time, I didn't get sick. Those are from me. You can learn from my story. I'm Fahmi Fajar Ramadan. I'm from finance class. I do apologize. I do apologize. I do apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give us food.